Hey guys, it's Emma back with a new YouTube channel. Video. And see, I literally tried making I played a scary game like a couple days ago, and I don't know what the hell happened, but my things literally stopped recording. It was so bad. Oh, oh hell no, he's right there. So we're gonna play this game. I remember playing this like back when I was like what? No, I didn't play this game specifically, but I played I think like the rat one with my friend Emma. And I think I finished it, so we're gonna see if I can finish this one tonight. Oh, girl, where the hell is he? Okay, let's go. I don't know how this blue fucking key. Oh, right here. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, that scared me. That scared me so bad. That scared me so fucking bad. Oh my god, that scared me. Oh my god, that scared me, dude. I'm trying to be quiet because like I don't want my mom and brother to hear me out. Oh, I don't want my brother and mom to hear me like outside my door. Be like, what the fuck is she talking to? So, dude, where is this dude? Okay, I don't know where to go. I don't know where I'm gonna need a freaking crowbar. Okay. Oh, there he is. Can I go in those vents? I don't know. Okay. If he's somewhere... Oh, fuck! Oh my god, that scared me. That scared the living shit out of me. Oh my god. Where? Bitch, did he just fucking sneeze on my thing? That's fucking nasty. Come here, booger. Oh my god, I don't know where to go because I don't know where I need the crowbar. Ugh, why is he all slimy? Okay. Fuck. A screwdriver? Where the fuck can I find that at? I don't know where to go. Okay. Dude, there's literally like no places to hide. Like literally, like there's nowhere to hide if he were to come up. Okay, but we got pretty far. You bitch! You fuck! Got lagged. Shut the fuck up. Stupid hoe. Okay, but where can I find this freaking crowbar? I mean, not the crowbar. The, yeah, like, where can I find to use it at? Oh my god. Can this mouth... Oh my god, it's bright. Okay, I'm going. Okay, I don't know where to go. Oh my god. That was terrifying. That was terrifying. Oh, bitch. Okay. Oh. Do you think I can... Fuck, I don't know where I need to use this crowbar at. Where is he at, bro? Okay, I'm going. Fuck. What the fuck, dog? Let me in! Let me in! Girl, I seriously don't know where to... Let me in, please. Let me in. Dude, I don't know where to go. Like, I really don't. I'm going. Oh my girl. I'm going. Look, like, where the heck do I need this crowbar at? I'm going. Oh, hell no. Oh, hell no. Oh, hell no. Okay. Like, where do I go? Let me in. Fucking stupid. God. Like, yeah, I seriously don't know where to go. Oh. Oh, okay. I think all the gate lights need to be on. Well, no shit, Sherlock. Okay, but I really don't know where to go. I don't know where to go. Also, y'all, my fucking tummy hurts. It hurts so bad right now. Okay, but seriously, like, this cannot be this hard. Like, this genuinely cannot be this freaking hard. Like, I really don't know where I need this freaking Don't tell me. Oh my fucking god, I'm so fucking stupid. Okay. Pinky. Wait, I think I know where this might be. I think I might know. Oh my god. Hey. How you doing? Oh my god. This is the pink key. You stupid? Let me in! Okay. Okay. Calamanga. Screwdriver. Oh, wait, I think I know. Oh. What if I... What? You're joking. You're joking me. That's so stupid. You got licked. I did not see him. Anywho, I don't know where to go. Okay, make a run for it. Make a run for it. Go, 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 go. Okay, wanna take this out? I don't see him nowhere. Let me in. Okay. Oh, okay. It's a little hard. Oh, fuck, fuck, fuck. Oh. Look at me, look at me. Yeah, look at me. Look at me. Okay. Okay, where's the red door? Red door, red door, red door. Where's the red door at? I do not know. I forgot. Red door. Red door, where are you? I don't know where the red door could be at. Let me see. Oh, he's coming. Run, run, run. Okay. It's a pink. Oh, right over here. Okay. Should I make a run for it? God, it's like fucking Antarctica up in my fucking room right now. Fuck! 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 No, 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 no. How the heck did I do that? Okay. Okay. Oh my god. Look at me. Look at me. Let me in. Okay. Okay. Oh my god, look at me, dude. Wait, why is this one easier than, like, the freaking green one? A yellow ball. Oh, I know exactly where this goes. Okay. Okay, what I don't know is where to go. But fuck that. You don't know where to go. Stupid. Okay, you go out. Oh, you go out. You distract him while I put this in the thing. Oh my god, the little core thing is literally just like Inside Out. Do 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 do. Okay, well that girl. Okay, I would go. She's doing it, so should I? Go, 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 go. Oh, I don't know where I'm going. I don't know where I'm going. Oh. Wait. I think I do. Okay. You're kidding me, right? Okay, one. Oh, fuck you! Fuck you! Fuck you! Fuck you! Fuck you! Fuck you! You can't get me! You can't get me! You can't get me! I'm on top of the world, bitch! Okay. Oh my fucking god, it's so fucking cold up my fucking room. Oh my gosh, I'm so tired. Okay, I don't know where to go. I don't know where all the freaking teeth are at. Okay. That's the 2. girl. I got like something up in my nose. My nose. Fuck that. Fuck that. Okay. I don't know where to go. Oh, hi, frog. Can I pet you? I can't. Oh, so you dumb. Come here. Come here. Oh. That was close. That was real close. Okay, you know what? I don't care. Oh, fuck! Fuck, yes I do! No, please! Oh my god. 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 Can you help me find a... Bitch, shut the fuck up. No, we can't. We got our own things to do. I have more important things to do. To help you. To help. Oh, why the fuck is he literally right fucking there? Okay, guys, distract him. You guys think this is fucking funny, huh? Do you? This ain't funny at all. To nobody but yourselves. Quit doing that. Quit it. Bing, bang, bing, 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 bing. Bing, 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 bing. Bing, 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 bing. I feel like I've already done this way though. Like I don't know what to do. Bang, 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 bang. Oh, fuck. Come on. Yep. Look at that. Okay, but after this, like, I don't know. I don't know where the other last two could be. Okay, I know 3 is red. Look at that. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay. I gotta remember where to go. Where did I find this thing at? I don't know, and I'm fucking terrified. Go for it. Oh my god. Oh my god, 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 oh my god. Oh my god. Come on! Bitch! Let me in! Oh my god, it's freaking bright as hell. Oh hell no. Oh hell no. I'm scared. Yep, he's gonna chase me now. Oh. That was easy. Okay. But that's my YouTube video channel, guy. I mean, that's my video, I don't fucking know what I'm saying. Let me know what other game I should play. Cause how